beans ready.
Hell, I'm coming in.
I was looking over there. Go back out there again. 1, 2, 3, action. Chili beans are, actually my girlfriend Hayley taught me this recipe a while ago when she was amping up the plant in her world, and she's very consistent at it actually. She's really, really good at just pumping that out. I'm so proud of her. So this is inspired by her recipe. So pot, heat, medium heat, olive oil. That's the first 3 steps. And intention is everything. How you're feeling, are you happy, are you like in your flow? Just really remember that, hey, like just, whoa, life is good. Life is working for you, not against you. Your body's amazing. This is an amazing time to be on the planet. It's very, very magical. Then we're gonna add our onion and our garlic into this hot smoking pan. This is what I want. Let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're gonna add your kidney beans in. Your tomatoes. Whoa, that's loud. Hey? And some water. And we're going to add in some spices. And we're going to have 1 teaspoon of the sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and as much chili as you like. I'm going to do half a teaspoon of chili flakes, but it's up to you. And we're going to cook this down for about 25 minutes on a very gentle simmer. And in 25 minutes we're going to check it, and what we're looking for is a little bit of a reduction and thickness, because right now it's quite runny. Have a look. So as it's been simmering away for a good 20 minutes, I want to have a taste to see for seasoning. Definitely needs salt and pepper, and I'm going to keep cooking this down as it's bubbling away. And depending on how hot your stove is, it might take you 30 minutes or it might take you less, but you don't want everything to disappear and evaporate. You want some of that liquid in there. So it's been about 25, it's been about 30 minutes, and it's looking amazing. Come and have a look. I'm going to turn off the heat and allow that to rest for a good 10 minutes before we put it into a jar, and then I'm going to make, I'm going to have a wrap today for lunch. So this is the beginning of all things. So this can go into a wrap with lots of salad. It can go into a bowl with some corn chips and some smashed avocado. But I have it there, and I'm going to get 2 meals out of this, which is super cool. So before you put it in the fridge, into a jar, a glass jar or a glass container, make sure it's completely cooled down first before you put the lid on, because if you put it in there hot, it's going to sweat, it's going to create moisture, and it's going to make the dish go bitter. So I've got some avocado, corn chips. I just feel like that today, you know. Sometimes I want to put it in here, the beans, and put some lettuce and some avocado, and oh my God, pimp it up in there. But right now I just want to have a snack. This is a good trick, because this has come out of the freezer and then it's defrosted. I don't know if you know this trick, but I put it straight onto the fire.
It's safe, Chef, to do that?
It's very safe to do that, just stay with it. And then turn it over. And now it's really relaxed, right? Just a quick kind of a situation. It's kind of what us chefs do, really, you know. It's so funny in kitchens, people would just be horrified of how fingers touch really hot things, and you're like, oh my God, I can't believe you could do that. Put that on the side there, and some of this beautiful chili bean just here. And this to me is the greatest lunch on the planet, and I have some for tomorrow in a wrap. That's it. Yum. I shall eat and go. Oh my God, that's good.